My name is Craig Lomita, and I specialize in hand and upper extremity surgery. I have been at Montefiore just over 13 years. I am originally from Queens, New York City. I wanted to become a doctor because I wanted to help people, and I also found the field fascinating. I wanted to specialize in hand and upper extremity because you see a very broad range of patients with a very diverse set of problems. The hand is a very intricate organ with a lot of detailed anatomy, so it's a very interesting field. From trauma to pediatrics to tumor to degenerative, you really see a very broad spectrum of issues in hand surgery. What I'd most like to let our patients know is that we understand navigating the medical world can be very confusing and challenging, and we're here to help them. We're here to help answer their questions and figure out where they need to go to get the best treatment.